Okay, here are 10 mistakes women make in a relationship. Number one, ignoring red flags early. Number two, trying to fix or change a man. Number three, losing their sense in their relationship. Number four, overgiving without receiving. Number five, poor communication. Number six, staying too long in a bad situation. Number seven, seeking validation instead of respect. Number eight, comparing their relationship to others. Number nine, testing their partner unnecessarily. Number 10, ignoring their own standard.